What's up, everybody? I am Jazzy Denise, and welcome back to my channel today. So in this video, I will be showing you guys how I like to do my rice water rinse to make my hair nice and moisturized when it is on its last leg, okay? So if you are interested in videos like this, please stay tuned, and I am already getting started by showing you guys what you would need. So in the bowl, I have about a half a cup of rice, and I'm going to fill that up with 1 cup of water. I have a spoon to go ahead and stir up the products with, and everything else will be for my hair once we apply the mixture onto our hair. So starting off, go ahead and soak your rice in that water, and I'm going to take my spoon and begin pressing all of that good starchy nutrient out of the rice. Okay, so I've seen other videos where they say you shouldn't use metal products because it can cause a chemical reaction. So for your sake, do your research to see if you should or shouldn't. I decided to use a spoon. I had no idea about that rule before I did this video, so it worked fine for me. But as you can see, our water is starting to turn cloudy because we're pressing all of the goodness out of that rice, which later I will give you some more information as to what are the benefits of having a rice water rinse for your hair. Alright, so I went ahead and let that product sit for about 30 minutes to an hour or so because this is a fermented rice water rinse. So you have to let the product sit. And in doing that, I do come back every now and then. I think I came back 3 times throughout this entire video to continue mashing up that rice. And as you can see, since that rice is soaking in that water, the grains are starting to get softer, which is good because it's releasing more nutrients for our hair. Alright, so we done let that product sit. It's been about 2.5 hours at this point, and now we're gonna go ahead and discard from the rice because we don't need that anymore. It has served its purpose. So we're gonna put all of that good starchy water into our spray bottle, and I'm gonna move on to get ready and apply it to my hair. And while we're getting that product into that spray bottle, let me tell you guys the Google definition of benefits of a rice water rinse for hair. It states rice water contains inositol, a carbohydrate that helps strengthen elasticity and reduce surface friction. Rinsing your hair with rice water adds shine to your hair and helps to keep it strong and healthy. So that's the basic Google definition. I'm sure you can make your own assumption off of that. And if you guys are enjoying this video, please subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to like it and give me a comment down below to let me know if you're enjoying these videos, and also what are some good tips that you use to restore moisture and elasticity back into your hair when it is down and out and dry. This is just me trying to show you guys what my hair was looking like straight out the braids. As you can see, it is tangled at the ends, it's dry and knotted, and it's just not cute right now. So this rice water rinse is going to help negate some of that dryness that you see. How dull my hair look is going to prevent that as well. It's going to be nice and black and shiny at the end of this video, so please stay tuned to see what it looks like. So the process is as simple as that, you guys. Just section your hair off. I like to do 4 sections, and when applying product, split that section in half and just spray the water onto your hair. You don't have to be crazy about it. I like to finger detangle before I apply the water, and once I apply the water, I am using a double tooth comb to spread it evenly through the hair. Now I do use a Denman brush, but at this time of the video I was using a double tooth comb that I think I got from like the Dollar Tree. But you don't have to put too much pressure on it. Just spray the product onto your hair, let it soak into those strands, and just make sure it's distributed evenly. Twist it up, and then at the end I like to take the rest of the product in the bottle and just spray it all over my scalp and give my hair a good massage. And I'm just gonna place a shower cap over my hair at the end and do some errands around the house until I'm ready to wash it out. Alright y'all, so I am back. As you can see, I've let this sit for a while. It's probably about an hour and a half to 2 hours. I did wrap a body towel around my head just to give it a little more heat to let that product penetrate. But this is what my hair is looking like once it is all soaked in and absorbed. As you can see, my curls look nice and moisturized, which I was so happy about. And here is what my hair is looking like all together, nice and puffy because it's absorbed all of that nice nutrients from the rice water. And yeah, that's about it, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out with some of my favorite products. These were just my go-to products that I use. You use whatever you have at home. This ain't nothing special, just something I caught on sale at Sally's, okay? And yeah, just stay tuned for the end result. And we back for the final time this video. Alright, this is what my hair is looking like. Now y'all don't kill me too much because my ends is raggedy here, okay? I did record another video attempting to cut my ends, so stay tuned for that and watch me fail miserably at straightening my hair. But that's it for the rice water rinse, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was beneficial for you. Until the next one, you all be you, be beautiful. Bye guys.